In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove devices on Amazon Prime Video. This is an essential task if you've reached the limit on the number of devices that can be used simultaneously, or if you simply want to keep your account secure and organized. Now, let's dive into the steps, which are straightforward and easy to follow. First, you need to head over to the Amazon Prime Video website. Open your preferred web browser and type in primevideo.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Use your user credentials, which include your email address or phone number and your password. If you have two-step verification enabled, make sure you have your phone handy to complete the process. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. Clicking on this will provide you with a menu of options. Select the option labeled Account and Settings. This is where you can manage several aspects of your Prime Video account, from changing preferences to managing devices. After you've navigated to Account and Settings, look for the tab that says Devices. Clicking on the Devices tab will take you to a page listing all the gadgets connected to your Prime Video account. This list can include anything from your mobile devices to your smart TV. So it's handy for keeping track of where you're logged in. Now here's the crucial part. Within the Devices tab, you will see an option to sign out of devices. This is the key function you will use to remove devices from your account. Look closely for the Sign Out button or link next to the device you want to remove. Click on it, and remember, you can always sign back in on that device if you change your mind later. After clicking Sign Out, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. It's important to confirm that you want to proceed with signing out of the selected device. Simply click on Sign Out again, and the device will be removed from your account, freeing up space for new devices and ensuring that your account is being accessed only on devices you approve of. And that's it. You've successfully removed a device from Amazon Prime Video. Regularly managing your devices not only helps maintain your account's security, but also ensures smooth streaming and peace of mind. Feel free to repeat these steps if you need to remove multiple devices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any more questions or tips to share, leave them in the comments below. Happy streaming!